It's necessary to speak English nowadays because everybody can speak English. Uh, you can speak with people from other countries and understand each other when you speak English. Also, you can watch your favorite books and films in the original language in English. And English is the main language of the internet. To improve my English, I read some texts in English. Also, I can watch films in English but with subtitles in English. And I speak in English with my teacher. Also, I do grammar exercises every day. I would like to learn popular languages, uh, for example, Spanish and Chinese. Also, I'd wanted to know the main languages of Europe, German and French. And I want to know some beautiful language as French. As French.
It's necessary to speak English nowadays because many people can speak English. You can communicate with people from other countries and understand them when they say something in English. You can also read your favorite English books and watch American and British movies. And besides, English is the main language in the internet. To improve my English, I read English books. I also watch films in English that have original subtitles. I speak English to my teacher. And in addition, I do grammar exercises every day. I would like to learn popular languages, for example, Spanish and Chinese. I also want to know the main languages of Europe, like German and French. I want to speak French because it is a very beautiful language.